I am here at Candolim and a theft case has been reported here. As you can see that behind me there is a villa. In this secured villa I am telling you because it is behind the wall which is almost 6 feet height wall, and it has 2-3 doors. There is a security also, but according to police, one of the sliding window was open and the thief could enter into the villa using that sliding window which was remained open. And according to Kalangut police, there has been theft of merely one bangle and 15,000 rupees cash. I have tried to contact the owner of this villa, but they are not here right now. It seems that they have left Goa for now. But the security person who is on duty here told me that owners doesn't want to talk to media, and that's why we could not exactly get the intensity of this crime. But according to Kalangut police, only one bangle of gold and 15,000 rupees have been reportedly stolen from this villa. In the investigation till now, police has checked the CCTV cameras. As you can see that CCTV cameras of this villa, there is no recording of thief. But in the nearby CCTV cameras, also police has failed to find any clue regarding that thief. But Kalangut police is saying that they are working on this case and they are continuously investigating this case. With Saurabh Sirodkar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.